My car won't start. I really need a hand guessing it running again. Go down the road and help him. No. Can you come out and help me? No. Bring the gun with you. Okay, well, I'm bringing the gun with me because I don't trust. I don't trust. Wait, should I bring the gun with me? I don't know. Not fine, yeah. Bring one of the bear traps. Like, trap his head in it if he tries to do anything dodge. You're stuck. Okay, when you said down the road, I thought it'd be a bit more far off. Can't you get up and walk down here yourself? What do you want me to do? I'm not a mechanic. Fuck off. That was so scary. I didn't even have time to react. Stop. I don't want to do this.